Where there is fuel, there is fire. Lubricant Sales Professionals, listen carefully. Plato, an ancient Greek philosopher of Athens and a student of Socrates, teacher of Aristotle, used to say that some people say something because they have to say something, and some people say something because they have something to say. That's the difference between wise and fool. And that's also the difference between a smart, sensible, and senseless salesperson. A great salesperson always believes in meaningful conversation, and he speaks with genuine insight about the need and interest of customer to reach a win-win solution. On the contrary, senseless salesperson lacks depth in his communication with irrelevant information full of sales tactics that fails to create trust and credibility with the customer. To empower sales professionals, we teach to navigate the treacherous terrain of technical sales in the world of lubricants from molecules to markets. We will equip you with the tools to identify customer pain points, craft value propositions, and close deals smoother than a well-oiled machine. In a world obsessed with price wars and discounts, we transmit the ultimate weapon of value-based selling to our mentees. At Mystica, we believe that selling is not just a skill, but also a solution-oriented mindset, a robust value creation system, and a disciplined way of life. We say selling is serving. Become a super successful sales star with Mystica's Lube Leadership program. This course will act like a fuel to fire the engine of your success. Hello everyone, my name is Ravi Ahuja. I'm a leadership coach rooted in strong spiritual values. I'm the founder of Mystica Chemicals Private Limited, Mumbai, which provides training and coaching services to the lubricant industry. I'm a Bachelor of Technology and MBA with Bright Academics. I'm on a mission to create SalesTribe of Tribologist, a new breed of leaders who can elevate the benchmark of entire lubricant industry. Since 2001, I have been active in the overseas and domestic lubricant and petrochemical industry. I am privileged with international technical trainings in the United States, Germany, Italy, Taiwan, and Dubai, where I could learn the finest global industrial perspective. I intend to give this treasure trove of knowledge back to the industry. So, we conduct very few such courses, so click the link below to join our Lube Leadership program and avail early bird benefit if you sign up today. If you have more doubts and queries, click the webinar link to attend my 3-hour Lube Leadership workshop to gain insightful value that will surely help you to master your sales game in the technical realm of tribology. Thank you for tuning in. See you in the class.